Madhuri ma'am, what would you like to say? Has he changed at all as a person, as an actor? Though he only seems to be expanding his repertoire all the time.
I don't think he'll ever change. Good evening, everyone. I don't think Anil can ever change. He'll always be the same. He was the same in 98 से आपने वो डाला था challenge का तब से लेके आज तक I think he's 58 में so I don't think he'll change. He's one of a kind, and it's always a pleasure working with him. This film saw me teaming up with my Dil Beta Raja Jodi, Indu ji and Ashok ji. And I'm working with Ajay also after a long time. We're in one frame together after Ye Raaste Hai Pyar Ke with Anil ji after Pukar. So it was wonderful teaming up with everyone. Even Javed Jaffrey I worked with after 100 days, I think, Javed. And so I think if the amount I have laughed in between shots with all these people around me, I think the audience, even if they laugh half the amount, I think this film is a success then. Because it's been a mad, mad journey for me and it was wonderful. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
You were trending above the 10-year challenge. Anil ji with a 40-year challenge doesn't matter. It doesn't change at all, sir. First time an actor was trending above a hashtag. So, अभी once and for all बता ही दीजिए sir. What is the राज?
गाना चेंज हो गया है 1 2 का 4 नहीं है 10 का 20 20 का 40
But you're coming back with Madhuri ji after many years. You know, it looks like, you know, you're obviously you can pick up where you left off. Just the memories are coming back on set with her, you know, in a film.
well I think more than anything else I think it's been a wonderful working on this film and with Induji Ashokji the entire team and you know Ajay also you know has been wonderful absolutely they all have been fantastic producers and we have a great team Fox you know I have a long association with Fox it's on 23rd of Jan it'll be 10 years you know and of course so you know what happens is the director and the producer are so good everything just goes so there was not a moment where there was any hitch in this film there was no hiccups everybody was very happy and we you know it was the whole film has been made with joy happiness and what do you call complete teamwork coming back to Madhuri the question you asked me good afternoon good evening ladies and gentlemen it's wonderful to see all of you all over here and well it is not only me and Madhuri and me coming together it's Ashok Indu Madhuri myself coming together so that's we've had absolutely a phenomenal association and so to be back all four of us together is not only you know professionally great which has always been professionally fantastic but even emotionally and hopefully we again live up to the expectations